Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. So guys, this will be our first explanation video. I have told you that we will upcoming videos will be the explanation videos. So guys, this is the first explanation video. So I want the high like comments, and in comment tell me how the video did you like. So guys, today we will learn science and technology part 1. First of all, let's sanitize our hand. This is very main. So let's sanitize. Guys, I have sanitized my hand. You also sanitize your hand, or not having a use of soap, it is necessary for. So let make it left. So guys, this is our first explanation video, guys. So please tell me, did you like that video? So guys, let us start. First, our first main topic today we will learn is the gravitation, guys. Okay, this further we will learn one by one. First, today only I will teach you the gravitation, so please pay attention little. So gravitation, as we have learned, the phenomenon of gravitation was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. So guys, everyone knows that the gravitation was founded by the Sir Isaac Newton. It is common. It can be come for your filling the blanks. Name the following. As the stories goes, he discovered the force by seeing an apple fall from a tree on the ground. He wondered why all apples fall vertically downward and not at all to the vertical. Why do they not fly off in a horizontal direction? We also know all the story about the Sir Isaac Newton, that he was sitting down at the shadow in the tree when one apple fallen on his head. Then he think why the apple is falling down, why the apple is not falling upwards, why the apple is falling down on the earth vertically means like this stretch, and horizontally that's like. So he thinks why the apples falls vertically on side the earth, why, what is the reason behind it. After much thought, he came to conclusion that the earth must be attracting the apples towards itself, and it is the attractive force must be directed towards the center of the earth. The direction from the apple on the tree to the center of the earth is vertical direction and position of the apple, thus the apple falls vertically downwards. In this, it have told that after many thought, by after making a thought about it, why the apples falls down, then thus our Sir Isaac Newton had understood that it is true that the earth has something power or some energy which attracts the apple towards him, so the apples falls towards the earth vertically. Can you understand? After making many theories understanding the concept, he discovered that the earth is having such a power that the apples falls towards him. Not only apple, everything falls towards it vertically. The force is in the center of the earth. Figure 1.1, the left show an apple tree on the earth. The force of an apple on the tree towards the center of the earth along the perpendicular from the position of the apple to the surface of the earth. The figure also shows the gravitational force between the earth and moon. The distance is the figure are according to not scale, guys. This in the this is the same only the concept I have given the explanation in 1.1. The force the force between the earth and moon is the only responsible why the apple is falling down vertically. Okay guys, so in from here along the perpendicular position from the apple surface of the earth, the figure also shows that the gravitational force between the earth and moon, this distance is figure not according to the scale. Means there is a question why the moon doesn't falls on earth, why the earth is also having gravitational force, why the gravitational force is not attracting towards the moon. This is the reason, guys. So that's why, because the moon is also having a such power that it is repulsing the earth's power. Okay guys, Newton thought if the force of gravitation acts on an apple on a tree at different height from the surface, can it also have ever then greater height much farther? Why from the earth, for example the moon, can act it on in other feather objects like the earth, planets and the sun. The guys, in last, the Newton thinks that same only, that if apple can attract the earth attracts the apple, then why the bigger things like moon can't be attracted by the earth? Why the moon doesn't fall on the earth? What is the reason? The reason will be we study in further circular motion of central force, Newton's universal of gravitation, Kepler's law, acceleration due to gravity of earth, free fall and escape. For today only this much only, guys. If you understand properly, the guys, please like and share and tell in comment how the do you like the video. And after finishing, I will sanitize my hand again, because it is very important. The pandemics that now is going on is very dangerous, so please sanitize off your hand before studying, after studying. So I will sanitizing my hand. Okay guys, I sanitize my. So guys, please like this video, share and in comment tell how you like the. Bye guys.